Brian and Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Our large project this week is exterior cleaning at William Duncan State School.
Scope of works of this job include the deep cleaning of all concrete paths and courtyards, including all the bag racks outside classrooms, as well as a softwash clean of 12 awning structures to remove unsightly mould. Overall, we are cleaning over 7,500 square metres of concrete over a 5-day period with a team of 4 cleaning technicians. During this 5-day project, we were focused on cleaning away the mould, mildew and dirt from in front of classrooms where the children eat during breaks, as well as eliminating the slips, trips and falls hazard from mouldy paths.
If you're a business manager for a school campus, there's no job too large for High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Reach out to us for a free quote, proposal on scope of works. Contact details are below.